trying beautiful desserts in San Diego. Okay, I've always wanted to try this blueberry one. Next up, we have their lemon one. Do you guys see that? Up next, we have this beautiful raspberry one. Next up, we have this mushroom. Let's try the stem. Have a bite. We have the mango next. Look at that fresh mango. Okay, up next is this giant Ferrero Rocher. I love this one. I love this one. This one looks insane. Oh my gosh, this is the blueberry one. Up next, we have this pistachio one. This is amazing. Next, we have the peanut one. I absolutely love their desserts here. Have a bite.